My salary is 150k and my wife's salary is 140k per month and no child. How much would be interim maintenance? I wish I could tell you that if the law was actually followed, the law says the wife in this kind of a situation would not be entitled to any interim maintenance, no alimony either. Why is it though then that I've seen thousands of husbands have to pay maintenance to wives who are earning almost as much as, sometimes even more than them? Is because it is very common legal strategy for the wife to not disclose what she is earning, for her to not file her income affidavit as per the Rajneesh versus Neha judgment, despite the Supreme Court coming down heavily. A lot of times courts, especially when they are overburdened with thousands of cases in every single courtroom, judges also, especially when it is the wife not filing her income affidavit in comparison to the husband, they forego that also. They condone that behavior, because of which the wife is able to a lot of times get away by showing, I am jobless, I am homeless, I am destitute, I am nothing. Courts believe them. Courts award maintenance to these wives. So if you're a husband and you want to ensure that when you're earning 150,000 a month and your wife's earning 140,000 a month, that you do not have to end up paying any amount of interim maintenance, you must ensure that if your wife is concealing her income, you must file your application for directing the wife to file all her complete details in the income affidavit, all her bank statements, her idea, the past 3 years, and whatever she's hiding, again, whatever information you have about what she's hiding. For example, she's filed bank statements of one bank account, not of the other. She's taking cash payments in, say, a cash heavy business. So you've got to file proof to show that she's earning, to show that these things have to come on the record. And again, don't waive pages in front of the judge. You have to file a proper application with these documents as annexures, because judges forget. Judges will not look at, scraps, pieces of paper and think that, oh, you'll get some benefit. You will not happen. To move an application. And then when the wife's lies are caught, you also move an application for perjury, which she deliberately withheld, manipulated data, said she's not earning when she is. And there's a chance that she might even go to jail, and the court issues to her a show cause notice as to why perjury proceedings should not be initiated against her. And the judge will always say, oh, this we will decide later, but you must file an application that the court should decide this before any arguments on interim maintenance should take place. And then you get a lot of times court orders where perjury proceedings are initiated against the wife. But a lot of times what also happens is that the wife starts coming and taking long dates, because she wants to avoid going the route of perjury proceedings initiated against her and the possibility of she going to jail.